Okay, let's start to draw isometric for this view. Now 75 mm is the length, right? So O, it is marked over here, O. Let's take the distance 75 plus 25, which is equal to 100 mm is the total length, and this and this R L length, and on the right side I have to take 50 mm. Height is of 50 mm. Now let's start with the ground line. So this one is the ground line. Okay. Now centrally, somewhere I need to mark a point. I know it's 15 mm height is there, so I will mark 15 mm directly. Now from that point, (30°), and on the other side also 30°. Okay. Now instead of drawing here directly half circle, I will draw here a corners, right? So to draw corner, I need one more lines over here in this way, on the another side in this way. I know the total length is of 100 mm. So after 25 mm, I will mark points. So here it is 25 mm, and after getting 25 mm, I will mark one vertical line. Similarly, I will draw this line. Okay. Now this total length is of 75 and this height is of 50 mm. So from this I have to take 75 mm length, 75 mm, 75 mm length. At this point, draw one vertical line, since I can draw here bottom in this way. Similarly, upper part in this way. Okay. Now since I know the total length, total R side is of 50 mm and this is of 35, so this much distance is of 15. So let's take here 15 mm distance, 15 mm, and on that 50 mm I have to draw 35 mm. 1, 2, 3, 35. Now this edge is nothing but this one, right? So this total distance is of 10 plus 30 plus 10, right? So 10 plus 30 plus 10, 50 mm. So this one is of 50 mm and on that point only I will mark these points also, right? Now again one more vertical line from this point 1 2 3 35 mm, simply connect it. Mm 10 mm, and this one is the center point, right? We need to construct over here one half circle. Now the next part, this continues this has to continue up to 35 mm. So here it is 35 mm, right? And from that point okay, now I can complete this. Right? Now this is of 10 mm, so for that I have to construct the bottom point, means this one, and from this point I have to take 20 mm distance. So let's mark 20 mm distance. So from this point 20 mm distance, this one, right? So now I will connect to the end. Okay, now next thing, width is of, for this slant width is of 10 mm. So take this 10 mm distance, now I have to draw parallel line. Okay, now I have to complete this part. Up to corner and after the corner. Okay. Okay, up to this it is completed. I will extend this one. Now what you have to do here, I need to construct one square which is of 30 mm length. So from this point 30 mm, so 15 mm on the both side. I will mark only the center points, corners. Similarly on the other side 15 mm both points. Now I need to connect it with a faint line. Now I have to connect this one also. So now take this much distance and from this point mark an arc, right? And from this point okay. Okay, it is completed, right? So I will take this distance as it is and I will project this point because I have taken this as a center. So I need to project this point. Since the total length is of 35 mm, so take 35 mm distance. And from this point, I need to mark one more curve. See? So complete this. Again complete this also. And now from this point, okay. Similarly, I need to construct over here. So for that, this distance is of 25 mm. On the other side also 25 mm. And here it is the end, right? So I need to connect it with a faint line. Okay. Now I need to connect any point. So on the other side, this one is of 25 and this one is of 25, right? 1, 2 and this one 3. Now I have to connect to the midpoint. So I need to draw over here midpoint. Here it is the midpoint. Simply connect it. Now take this much distance, this much. Sorry. And on the other side, similarly I need to extend this point 15 mm below, and by keeping the same distance I have to mark one more half circle, right? So from this point, external point, I need to mark one vertical. Take this as a center. Initially we have taken this as a small radius. Take the same radius from here. And I need to complete this. Okay. Right? Now it's time to draw the inner circle. Now the inner circle having 20 mm diameter. So take this distance, 20 mm diameter. So 10 mm on both the side. Again take here distance 10 mm on both the side. Right? So for understanding purpose, I will write here, draw here complete square. Now find the center point of this one, midpoint of the edges, right? This bigger diagonal already connected. Now from this point connect the smaller one. Now with the help of compass I will take this much as a distance. Similarly from the other end this shorter distance. And from the other end. Okay, it get completed. Now since the height is of 15 mm, this height is of 15 mm, take 15 mm distance and simply check whether this curve is visible or not. So it is not visible. See, if I draw this, it is below of that this edge. If it appears inside of this, sometimes it appears over here, right? In this case you need to show it, but simply project this corner 15 mm below. See here, I have projected this 15 mm below, and from this point, by taking this radius as it is over here, I need to check. So it get completed. Okay. Thank you very much.